So there you are, that's our juiciest oven sausage and peppers. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing the juiciest oven sausage and pepper tray bake. So easy, with a little bit of something on there to pep it up towards the end. Let's get on and do it, okay? I've got sausages. Now, any sausages, use whatever you like. Pork sausages, beef, lamb, whatever. Anything between 6 and 8, that's up to you. I've got a couple of onions, I've got peppers. Okay, as usual, these are looking a bit sad. Right, what we need to do is slice. We are slicing. That is all. So slice away. And we can go straight in our tray that we're using. We don't have to mess about. Okay, now just give them a little break up. We don't want all that lot in there like that. That's we could just throw the onion in. Now you want your oven on at about 200, 190, 200 for this. Don't forget, as per usual, all the ingredients, timings, everything are in the description. Okay, we've got some sad looking peppers, but we're not going to worry about that, are we? Come on. Different peppers, or you can go all one colour. It's entirely up to you. And we are slicing exactly the same. We want slices of our peppers in there. Just chuck it all in as we go along. Saves on washing up and bowls and everything, doesn't it? Okay, we've got this mountain of veg there, look. Anybody think this was going to be a veggie meal? In there, garlic. Now we want some olive oil in there, about 3 tablespoons. We're going in there with some oregano. And I'm going to add Italian seasoning, but you could just add basil if you wanted, or just add anything. Add whatever you like. So Italian seasoning in there. In there with some chili flakes. There's a mountain here, isn't there? In there with some salt. In there with some black pepper. Paprika. You smoked or normal, entirely up to you. And we want about a tablespoon of tomato paste in there. So you want to mix it any which way that you want to. We've only got a small tray here, but this stuff is going to wilt down. The tomato paste, hopefully, is going to cook in the juices and give us a little bit of a tomato juice. Now you could have put it in a bowl if you wanted and chuck it in here. There you go. Sausages, come on. Any sausages that you're using on there. There we go. So that's looking absolutely wonderful. How easy is that? Chuck it in the oven, 25 minutes. Then we're going to turn the sausages over. Come on. Okay, out of there. I want to be turning over those sausages. As you can see, they are white on the other side. And this is going to go back in for about another 15 to 20. And we should have some nice softened veg. So back in another 15 to 20. Come on. Okay, dinner is served. Look at that. And there we go. We got this fabulous dish. Look at that. Okay, now here's the secret to this. You let this rest about a couple of minutes and then you splash in some balsamic vinegar, about a tablespoon, on those peppers. Elevates the flavour like you've never had. Now we're not splashing the sausages as such, but you want about a tablespoon. And when we serve up, we'll just give it all a stir around and it'll all be in there, on there. A good dollop of mash. Bring it down at one side, keep it up there like that. Squash it in, bring it down. Okay, just move those sausages to one side. Give that little veggie mix a stir up with that balsamic. And we're ready to go. Oh yeah. In there. Peppers and juice. Come on. Some sausages. Come on. On there. Oh, look at this. Oh, yes, please. There you go. And a bit of that juice from the bottom of there. On there. So there you are, that's our juiciest oven sausage and peppers. Come on. There we have it, a simple meal on the table. Probably the easiest way to cook. We haven't done anything in here on these sausages. Look how plumped up they are because they're oven cooked. Oh, they're so juicy. Come on. That is incredible. Through to our veggies. Our veggies have still got a little bit of firmness to them even though they're soft. Come on. That little splash of balsamic. Oh yeah. It just gives that little savoury sourness that you need with the peppers. That is delicious. That is a simple one tray bake. Nothing of a cook really. Serve it with whatever you like. Serve it with pasta, rice, whatever. I've got mashed potatoes. There is a lot of flavour there. There you go. That's a really easy one. Come on. A lot of flavour on the table. So easy to do. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to put that together. Sausage and peppers. Come on. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh, come on.